and welcome back to IdeasUsher, your go-to place for tech and innovation. My name is Abhay Mohan, and I'm here to present to you our latest tech solution, the Interior Decor app. This is an app designed for our esteemed clients to fulfill all their furniture purchasing needs. So, let's get started. When the user first downloads the app, they'll be taken to the login screen. If they don't have an account, they'll be asked to log in via their Apple, Facebook, or Google accounts. Select the one that the user wants to use and continue. Once you log in, the app itself will give you a small overview of its functions. It'll show you the search bar, the shopping cart, and all the categories available in the app. So let's start looking for some furniture. By using the search function, the user can search for the appropriate products. The user can type in the product they're looking for and select the most suitable one from the available choices. Once the user has selected the product, they can see a number of things. First, they can see a picture of the product, the name, its ratings and reviews, and an option to try it in VR. If you select the VR option, you'll be taken to a 3D viewing of the product and how it would look like in a room. The user will also be able to see the different color variants of the product, a small description, any key features of the product, its measurements, its size and weight, the materials used in its construction, any co-instructions about the product, and any assembly instructions or documentation about the product, the location of the store that the product is being purchased from, and any other additional information. The user can also see other products that are typically purchased alongside this one. And finally, the total price of the product. Once the user is satisfied, they can choose to add to cart and hit OK. Then the user can go back to the home screen and then go to their shopping cart. Here the user can see all the items they've added to their cart and are willing to purchase. In the cart, the user can also quickly access their wish list, where they can see all their favorited items that they wish to purchase later. The user can also change the view setting of the wish list. In the shopping cart, the user can see the names of the items being purchased, its price per piece, the total price, the number of items, and finally the total of all the items included. Once the user is satisfied, they can hit proceed. Then they'll be asked to choose a suitable payment mode and then hit checkout. In the checkout screen, they can see their delivery address or change it, the payment method, and the summary of the purchase. Hit checkout, and they will have successfully purchased the product. Once finished, go back to home page. The user can click on the bell icon to see all their notifications. If the user wishes to see other products in the 3D viewing, they can hit Try AI. First, it will show you a small overview of the function. Hit OK, select the product, hit Continue, and you'll be taken to the 3D viewing. The user can also see all the popular products in the home screen. In the Explore page, the user can see all the top products available. If they swap to the Categories tab, they can see all the various categories available. Select one, and they'll be taken to the top products of that category. In the Inspirations tab, the user can see an entire combination of items and how they look put together in a room. They can see the name of the combination, the number of products, where each product is placed in the room, and all the items included. In the Order page, the user can see all the orders they've placed, the completed ones and the ones currently running. They can see the individual order numbers, the dates at which they placed those orders, the time, its total price, and for currently running orders, they can also track it on a map. In the Profile page, the user can view their profile details. They can see a picture of them, their name, and an option to edit their profile. Here they can change their picture, their name, their last name, and their phone number. They can also choose to view their wish list from here. They can view and change their delivery address here. They can view and change their payment method here. If they wanted to add a new one, they can click on this option. For login and security settings, the user can click here. Here they can see which social account they're using to access the app and which devices. They may choose to freely swap between them at their leisure. If they wish to permanently delete their account, they can do so here. If the user wishes to configure the app, they can click on the Settings option. Here they can change their email notifications, weekly newsletter, any special announcements, the shopping bag reminder, push notifications, trunk show iOS notifications. They can also delete their account here. If the user had any questions or queries, they can go to the Help section. Here they can look at the frequently asked questions to see if their question has already been asked, or they can type it in here in the knowledge base. If they wish to change the language of the app, they can do so here. And finally, when the user is finished with the app, they can choose to log out. And there you have it. Now the user has a complete understanding of our interior decor app. We hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to contact us if you want your own app solution designed for you. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.